Hello guys, it's day 2 of our training for the Clark Duathlon Classic. So today I'm gonna do a 30 kilometers easy ride. Let's go! Okay, out in the highway. Less traffic here. But still windy. So that's it for now guys. Follow this page for more training updates.